What's up guys, Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at an awesome ringtone package that I found in Cydia, and it's called Apple Add Ringtones. Now, I never really downloaded ringtones, specific ringtones from Cydia. I just never felt the need, but I saw this pack and I figured I'd install it and see, what it all came with. And I think it's a really awesome set of ringtones to have on your device. All, original songs from Apple ad commercials. Just a very cool pack to have. So I'll just kind of go through a couple. I'm not going to go through all the songs because there are a ton, but I'll just give you a couple. I'm sure most of you have heard these. It's just a very cool package. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, there was a ton more ringtones than what I actually let you guys hear. If this is something that interested you, just head over to Cydia. It's called Apple Add Ringtones. It's a free package. And that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think about these Apple Add ringtones down in the comments. This is Jeremy with Everything iDevice, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.